shooter, weak, he can't harm me. Spent the arm all in Barney's. The sales bitch was all on me. Copped the low and all on me. Got my dripping check. Neck is dripping wet. Check. Not the chain, it was your dame. She squirted on my neck. You hurting for a check. You can't press me like hell's ho. I ain't taking no L's ho. Pass on pussy like hell's no. My lawyers with the shits. The goofy can't convict. Nope. The weed and drinks was lit. And she was with the shits. No cap like Kango. My kicks tail and mango. 350s on restock like a Funko. That chain glow. Diamonds dancing like Mick Jagger. Prance around full of swag. Said damn car shoe so dapper. I'm achieved on my book.
Funko fitted damn. Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to another episode of Pure Heat. You already see what type of timing I'm on. We taking it back to my favorite rap group of all time, B. Do you understand? The stars of one of my favorite movies, fam. Look, man. Let's stop playing. Off top, I want to shout out to Kid. Big respect to Kid for hollering at me on the Cars Pop account. You already know the vibes, my brother. Hoffa at your boy. But yeah, we out here, man. We gonna drop this motherfucking review and unboxing, man. First in front of you, you got the Kid and Play 2 Hype Joint, the first album. You know what I'm saying? Then we got that House Party soundtrack. You know what I'm saying? Classic movie. Then you got that House Party 2 follow-up. Then you got that single, Ain't Gonna Hurt Nobody. Like, bruh, look, stop playing with me, bruh. I got the singles from when I was a kid, bruh. I still got the tapes, my G. When the last time you seen this, my G? Let's stop playing, man. We gonna fan out today, man. Let's stop playing. Look, man, look. You little young whippersnaps. Shut up about this, bro. I don't even think Funko knows what's going on. I don't even think Funko on this type of Funko, get at me, man. If y'all want to drop some more rappers, get at me, Funko. Real spill. Shout out to Wiz. Shout out to Wiz for real. Shout out to Herbie. You know the vibes. The whole squad. Now this is where Funko got the idea from. You see the fits and all of that. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna throw that over there right now. Put the tape back in the case right quick. Gotta preserve that. And let's get into the proceedings this evening, man.
Yo, y'all look who fell into the game.
Crazy.
Oh shit, look at this.
Crazy. We have Christopher Kid Reed in the building. The fella with the high top fade. You already know the vibes. Next up, you know who it is. It's that Playboy. Christopher Play Martin in the building.
Oh shit, look at this.
Bruh, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. I'm so hyped, Funko fam. I'm about to do something I rarely do. Yo, the box art is crazy. Like, let's give it up to Funko for the box art. Let's give it up. The suits even look leather-like. I'm gonna do something I rarely do, fam. We taking these out the box. That's how hype I am, B. That's how freak. Yo, hold on, man. Be right back. Yeah. Yo, they even got the blonde on top of my man Kid's fade, bruh. Like, yo. Let's stop playing here, man. Let's stop playing. Look at they kicks, bro. They had the fire Nikes on. Come on, bruh. Let's stop playing, man. I'm so, like, you don't understand, bruh. I never thought I would get a collectible Kid and Play figure, bruh. Like, this joint is crazy, B. Woo. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. Kids Hot Top Fade is crazy, B. Crazy heavy, so it's kind of hard for him to stand up on this joint. It took me about a good 3 minutes to get him set up good like this. But other than that, bruh, thank you, Funko, man. This is the type of heat that we asked for, bruh. Too hype on the chest. Like, yo, this is what we asked for, man. Grills. This is a super grill. My man Plays Fade is sharp, B. Come on, son. I'm super pleased with these, man. I can't wait to see what next hip hoppers you got coming out, man. We need more rappers, man. And you know, I couldn't complete this without bringing out the team. I had to bring out the team, man. Yeah. I had to bring in the girls. Salt and Pepper's here. You know the vibes, bruh. You already know the vibes, bruh. So yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I did, filming it. You already know, man. Comment, like, subscribe so you will be notified every time I drop that heat.